Pagpalang Lunes, mga ka-faith. Welcome to our Monday Devotion Series. May mga panahon ba na parang lost tayo sa buhay? Nagtatanong, Lord, ano ba talaga ang purpose ko? Kaibigan, God doesn't want you to wander. He wants you to thrive. Pero para mag-thrive, kailangan mong ma-root ng malalim sa Kanya. Sabi sa Jeremiah 17 verse 7 to 8, Blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord. He will be like a tree planted by the waters. Tulad ng punong may malalim na ugat, kapag tayo ay nananatili sa Diyos, may lakas at tibay tayong makukuha sa Kanya. And let us use the acronym ROOT para lalo nating maintindihan. Una, remain in God's Word. Ang puno na may malalim na ugat, hindi basta natitinag. Ganon din tayo kapag nananatili tayo sa salita ng Diyos, may strength tayong nanggagaling sa Kanya. Kaya kahit busy ka, make sure na you have time to read the Word every day. That's your daily nutrient for spiritual growth. And next, obey His will. Obedience is the fertilizer of your faith. Every time you say, Lord, susunod ako, lumalalim ang ugat mo sa Kanya. Hindi madaling sumunod minsan, pero trust that His plans are better than yours. Then, open your heart to God's process. Minsan, pinuprun tayo ni Lord. May mga bagay siyang tinatanggal para mas lumago tayo. At tulad ng halaman na pinuprun para mas masigla, ganon din ang ginagawa ni Lord sa buhay mo. Don't resist the process. Trust the gardener. And lastly, trust in His timing. Ang puno hindi lumalaki overnight. It takes time. Sunlight and rain, ganyan din ang purpose mo. May perfect timing si Lord. Habang naghihintay, patuloy kang magtiwala at mag-serve. He's working beneath the surface. At kung gusto mong mag-thrive at mag-bear ng fruit, be rooted in God's purpose. Remain in His Word. Obey His will. Open your heart to His process and trust His timing. At ito yung memory verse natin, Colossians chapter 2 verse 7. Let your roots grow down into Him and let your lives be built on Him. Kung na-bless ka dito, don't forget to like, follow, and share para mas marami pa ang ma-encourage. This is Pastor Francis, kasi ang ugat na nasa tama, tiyak nalalago sa tama. See you tomorrow for day 2, growing through challenges. God bless you. Keep thriving. Shalom.